The potato vine has just taken over this box more than once. I cut it back once and then it just regrew, and I am completely over how this looks and plan to take this out. So I'm throwing out all this potato vine, pulling it out from here, and I started yanking up the base of the plant, and I guess it behaves like a tuber because it had all these roots that looked somewhat like potatoes forming, and then I yanked this out of the ground. I mean, this is like almost the size of a grapefruit. My goodness, I had no idea that this is what would happen when you plant a potato vine. Still got a bunch of roots in here to clean up, but wow. All right. Lesson learned. I'm kind of curious to see what that one's going to be like. After fully digging out the potato vine, I have a root structure and various tubers that I pulled out of the ground. I am concerned that if I had left them in the ground, I might end up with a ton of new potato vines. So I tried to get out as much as I could. I really don't know how these work, but dang. Sadly, in the process, I knocked over one of my beautiful little decorative solar lights and it exploded. So I had to clean that up, and all I have left is the light string. So I might try and do something with this pretty out here, just string it up somewhere, but that's life. These are beautiful from Hoselink. I got these for Christmas last year. They're super cute. Really enjoyed them. Vine number 2 is out of the flower bed, and here are all the tubers I dug out of the bed from right there. They were so deep and so rooted in. I had no idea they did this. So this is real interesting to see how this happens. They were huge, and I can see why. Look at the bee. Oh, can't see it. It's been a couple hours now, and I've gotten all the potato vine cleared out, and I trimmed back the Supertunia Mini Vistas and added soil to this bed because much of the bed had dropped off, or soil had dropped down, and so I needed to add more soil to the space so that the ground was a little more even. And I added a little soil release fertilizer to the space. I also took out the dead arborvitae. So everything's looking nice and clean. I'm real happy with how it looks right now. Looks like everything can breathe again. And now to decide what to put in here for the winter. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.